At Evelyn's Soul Food Restaurant, you'll find comfort food just like Mama used to make.
It was suggested that we kind of honor my mom, and so we named it after her. And Evelyn, she was the epitome of a true housewife. But she cooked, and she taught us how to cook, and a lot of the recipes we use, we try to make them taste just like hers.
That's been a recipe for success.
When you eat soul food, it's almost like you satisfied, and that's what I say. It gives you that
She got the best soul food, home cooked food. This is Southern home cooked food.
I would describe it as home cooked, as I remember, and well seasoned.
The restaurant is a friendly, homey, laid-back kind of place. The seasoning here is simple, with the focus on bringing out the natural taste of the food. Just about everything is made from scratch.
We actually pick our beans and cook them with the ham, ham hock. I think they had a ham bone back there this week that they put in there. And we actually peel our yams, and it's a certain way that we cook them, so when they come out, they be nice and pretty and orange.
Evelyn serves up breakfast and lunch Monday through Friday and caters on the weekend. The menu features daily specials and everything from chicken fried steak to beef tips. However, it's the chicken that's made this place famous.
Get it fresh, because we don't like frozen chicken. And so we ordered in fresh, from the supplier. And we just sell a lot of fried chicken. And then we make our own fried chicken, which is, we take the boneless breast and we beat it out, and it's really big. It's not, and we bread it ourselves, so it's really a big piece of meat.
The chicken was wonderful. Oh my gosh, it was so juicy inside and crisp and flavorful crust.
I love the fried catfish, and today I'm going to try the beef tips and rice, and the rolls are just out of this world.
The candied yams are especially good. The smothered chicken was delicious. The green beans everything was nicely seasoned. It was really good.
Save room for a trip to the cobbler bar.
Every day I have to make peach cobbler, and so that's a big seller. And people, sometimes they'll eat it quick, faster than I can get it cooking.
It's better than Grandma. Grandma made some good peach cobbler, but Wanda got the best peach cobbler.
This cobbler they're famous for too, and it's very good. So I ordered it thinking they were going to share it with me, but they didn't. So.
Evelyn's makes you feel special no matter who you are. Here, they dish out soul food with a lot of heart.
Look good, taste good, and make you feel good.
It needs to be on your bucket list if you have a bucket list for this area, for Oklahoma anyway. It definitely needs to be on your list of things to do.
I'll keep coming back every chance I get, I know that.
Evelyn's Soul Food Restaurant is located on the north side of Tulsa International Airport. It can be a little tricky to find. The easiest way to get here is to put the Tulsa Air and Space Museum in your GPS. The restaurant's just south of there, nestled behind Sparks Aviation. In Tulsa, I'm Julie Chin, discovering Oklahoma.